EAS in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Perry County in south central Illinois, northern Jackson County, Illinois, until 1:15 a.m. At 12:26 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bremen, or near Chester, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include DuQuoin, Pinckneyville, Elkville, Ava, Willisville, Dowell, Campbell Hill, Bergens, and St. John's. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 a.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Jackson and Perry,